We have a breaking news that's coming in fresh from Bihar, where supporters of independent MP from Purnia, Pappu Yadav, have staged a protest in Patna demanding the cancellation and the re-examination of the BPSC exam. The protests come after independent MP Pappu Yadav called for a Bihar Bandh today. Yadav supporters have blocked Patna's Ashok Rajpath and set fire on the streets. They're carrying rubber tires which have been set on fire. The violent protests have taken onto the street, and the independent MP Pappu Yadav has called for a Bihar Bandh. Clashes have also erupted between MP supporters and police personnel. The supporters who've gone on a rampage, destroying public property in the area while protesting for BPSC re-examination. We also have reactions coming in on the story. Take a listen.
हम लोग टोटल सीसीटीवी फुटेज का डिमांड कर रहे हैं। आज से लड़ रहे हैं, हम 84 से लड़ रहे हैं, 84 से 84 से सारा सबूत दे दिया गया है। हम लोग सर्वोच्च न्यायालय को दे दिए। डीएम ने माना है 172 ही बंडल गया, 192 में चेम्बर कहीं नहीं था। अपराध शाखा को हम लोगों ने भेजा, क्वेश्चन नहीं सुना। सरकार का राम राम सत्य है, बीपीएससी का राम राम सत्य है। बिहार की जनता का जिन लोगों ने राम राम सत्य किया है, उसका राम राम सत्य है।
Viewers, these are the visuals on your screens where supporters of independent MP from Purnia, Pappu Yadav, have gone around the Ashok Rajpath in Bihar's capital, Patna, and are breaking things. They can be seen banging tables, trying to break into shops, and also setting rubber tires on fire across the street while staging a protest for the re-examination of the BPSC exam. In fact, the independent MP from Purnia in question, Pappu Yadav, has also called for a Bihar Bandh. The supporters of the political leader, Pappu Yadav, have gotten into a scuffle with the state police while the police is trying to maintain law and order on the streets of Bihar's national capital. These are the visuals from the protest in Patna, started today morning and are ongoing till now. The protesters, who are the supporters of an MP, an independent MP from Purnia, Pappu Yadav, are protesting by breaking things. An unlawful protest is being carried out in Bihar's capital, Patna. Complete chaos, everything haywire. These are the streets of Patna where supporters of MP Pappu Yadav are protesting. We're also being joined by my colleague Prakash live from the heart of the action to get us more on the story. Prakash, और बताइए इस प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में. ये अनलॉफुल तो है ही. स्टेट पुलिस भी आई है और स्टेट पुलिस और प्रोटेस्टर्स के बीच में बहुत खींचातानी हुई है. और बताइए इन प्रोटेस्ट्स के बारे में, प्रकाश.
Well, as far as the BPSC is concerned, they have sent a legal notice to Prashant Kishore as well as Khan sir. But in the meanwhile, BPSC Pappu Yadav, the MP from Purnia, has called for a Bihar Bandh in protest against the BPSC's decision not to take the re-examinations for the students, and the BPSC is adamant that they will not hold any re-examinations for all the students. As a matter of fact, on 912 centers, the BPSC exam was conducted and over 2,44,000 students appeared. On 911 centers, 2,32,000 students appeared and 6,000 students appeared in the re-exam. But Prashant Kishore was hell-bent on going for indefinite fast. That was on hunger strike. He still claims that he's on hunger strike. In the meanwhile, Pappu Yadav has called for a Bihar Bandh, and we can see widespread protest. His supporters, mostly hooligans, staging protest, burning effigies, fire, as well as asking the sweet shop as well as various other shops for closure. And if they're not doing so, they are beating them up with lathis. It is they're all Pappu Yadav supporters. Now we can see in Patna, as you can see in the visuals, that violence all over the place, which is uncalled for. In the meanwhile, BPSC has sent a legal notice to both Prashant Kishore as well as Coaching Institute owner Mr. Khan of Khan Global Studies as well. Back to you.
Right, Prakash, thanks very much for joining us on the broadcast this afternoon. We'll closely keep tracking the story minute by minute as and when there are more developments.